ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. This is going to be an eyebrow tutorial. I don't know about you ladies, but this summer 2021 I'll be wearing falsies, eyebrows, and lip gloss. So right now I'm underlining my eyebrows at the bottom and at the top using a Morphe dual pencil. This is their micro brow pencil. I'm using chocolate mousse, and that's only because they ran out of Java. Typically I would use Java, but this is a dual pencil because one side has a spoolie and the other side has a retractable pencil. Right now you see me shading in my scar on my left eyebrow. It is your right, my left. No, that is not on purpose. I did not do that for the trend. It is a scar. Now I'm only doing light strokes in that area because I don't want it too dark. And typically I don't fill in the whole scar, just a little bit to give the illusion of light hair strokes. So right now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade dark brown, using my angled eyebrow brush. Typically you don't have to do this step. You could have stopped at the Morphe pencil, but I like to do this extra step. And so I'm just going to shade lightly, not do too much because I don't want Angry Bird eyebrows. I kind of want it to look as natural as possible. That is the goal for this summer, natural face. So this step right here is important. You always want to blend when it comes to makeup, whether it's eyeshadow, foundation, eyebrows, it doesn't matter. So I'm using my spoolie just to blend that out and so that it won't look too harsh. So make sure that you shade a little bit, brush it, shade, brush, just to make sure everything is blended and nothing is too harsh. So this step is also important to get that freshly done eyebrow look. I'm using my MAC concealer in NW40 Studio Finish Concealer. It wasn't focusing when I was filming, but yes, you want to use that to make it look like you just got your eyebrows done, that you don't have any little hairs. I don't have any hairs underneath because I typically use an eyebrow razor to do my brows. I cannot get wax. I'm allergic to all the waxes. It always breaks me out. And we're in a pandemic. Getting it threaded probably isn't the best idea. And I don't even think anyone is doing that. So eyebrow razor it is. Another important step that I always feel the need to do is, again, blending. So I'm using this brush to just blend that. I don't like that harsh line, so I just want to blend it out. Typically, it'll all just flow together after I blend it out when I put on eyeshadow. But right now, you want to blend it out as much as possible. But it still gives that look that you just got your eyebrows waxed.
Just taking this moment. We can take it slow. Just stay up till the morning. Just taking this moment. Yo, I said I'm Martin. Hey, the way you thump on the bumper. Yo, it be not satin, no.
Right here, you see me putting a little bit of concealer on the top of my brows. I don't mind that look because I blend it out very well, that it doesn't look as harsh as it may come across on the camera. But typically I might do a light powder foundation as well. I just don't want to do the whole liquid caked up face with highlights, contours this summer. Just a nice brow, some lashes, lip gloss, and I'm good to go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Bye guys.